Let's try making coffee, but on the stove. So I'm not much of a coffee drinker. I drink chai, and with chai, we make it on the stove. So I thought, you know what, let's take the same steps that we use in chai, but just replace the black tea with coffee. I'll add some water into a pot, a couple of spoonfuls of coffee, and you gotta spice it up just a bit, so I'll add some cardamom pods, let this boil for a couple of minutes before adding in milk, sweeten this with some sugar, and then I'll boil this and let it simmer for at least 5 minutes. Okay, that's not bad. So it's not really a thick, creamy latte because I didn't froth the milk or do anything like that. It does have a more of a richer coffee taste, and the cardamom pods really help. Honestly, I find this stuff at Tim Hortons or any other coffee chain, it just tastes like watered down coffee, and it's like the equivalent of tasting chai when you just use a tea bag and you dip it in milk. You're not even letting the tea or coffee develop flavor, and I think that's what boiling does. It's also 2 a.m., but honestly, coffee or chai doesn't really keep me up. If anything, chai helps me sleep. Caffeine doesn't really do too much, so it's solid. I'm giving this a 8.7 out of 10.